Hey everyone! Is Microsoft Outlook refusing to start on your PC? Or maybe Outlook looks closed, but it just won't shut down properly. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Microsoft has officially confirmed a major Outlook bug linked to a recent Windows 11 update. In this video, I'll explain what's going wrong, who's affected, and what you can do right now to fix it. Let's get started. So here's what's happening. After installing the latest Windows 11 update, KB5074109, many users report serious issues with Outlook Classic. Microsoft has acknowledged the bug, and it mainly affects users who are using POP or SMTP email accounts. Now, some users say Outlook won't open. Others say Outlook won't close. But here's the key point, both problems are actually caused by the same issue. When you close Outlook, it looks like the app is closed. But in reality, Outlook.exe continues running in the background. So when you try to open Outlook again, Windows thinks it's already running. As a result, Outlook refuses to open. Or you see error messages. Or Outlook freezes completely. This is why the issue feels so random and frustrating. One user shared their experience, saying, Outlook opens fine after boot, but after 5 to 10 minutes it completely freezes and shows a white, not responding screen. They tried everything: quick repair, online repair, PST repair tool, creating a new Outlook profile. Nothing worked, until they uninstalled the Windows Update KB5074109. The good news is Microsoft is aware of the problem and actively investigating it. However, as of now, there's no official fix or workaround. Microsoft is expected to release a new Outlook update to fix POP account issues, or push an emergency Windows update if needed. Solution 1: Force close Outlook. If Outlook is stuck, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Find Outlook.exe. Click End Task. Only do this if Outlook is completely frozen. Force closing isn't ideal for regular use. Solution 2: Roll back or wait. If Outlook still refuses to open, uninstall Windows Update KB5074109, or wait for Microsoft's next Windows or Outlook update with the official fix. And that's everything you need to know about this Outlook bug caused by the latest Windows 11 update. Have you experienced this issue on your PC? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.